If you want to launch a business in the decorative industry, printing and selling backdrop might be a perfect idea. From birthdays to business conferences, backdrops are the most useful decorative material that transforms ordinary space into an interactive background. Backdrops are large-format background banners used for decorating purposes at parties, functions, events, birthdays, weddings, business marketing, and other celebrations. Whether you want to print custom backdrops or sell ready-made backdrops as a reseller, there is a demanding market and a profitable industry. Starting a business requires proper research, the right steps, great planning, and a clear understanding of the business concept. So, in this tutorial, we'll discuss these steps. Step 1. Understanding the backdrop business. To start the business, research and learn about backdrop design, fabric characteristics, and related info. Develop your creative thinking about how to design a better backdrop uniquely. Backdrop business concepts are the design, creation, rental, or sale of backdrops. Focusing on different customer needs, you can offer desired services. Develop the necessary skills to design, create, and sell them to the right clients. So, let's discuss how you can set up a backdrop business from scratch. Step 2. Conduct market research. Research the market to gather information about your target audience, competitors, market opportunities, and industry trends, and also identify your potential customers. Understand your target audience, their needs, and preferences. So, who's buying your backdrops? Your target customers can be event planners, photographers, social media influencers, schools, retail stores, theater companies, corporate clients, individuals who are hosting personal events like birthdays, celebration events, or anniversaries parties. Step 3. Choose a backdrop niche. An important decision is choosing a niche for the backdrop business. You need to research who are your target clients and their specific needs. A well-defined niche can help you to stand out from the crowd competition and attract the right customers. You can target events such as weddings, corporate events, birthday parties, graduations, baby showers, holiday parties. Step 4. Develop a backdrop business plan. Every business needs a plan. This is the roadmap you can set for your business by outlining your goals, strategies, and steps. Prepare a document after conducting research. Summarize the essential steps that are needed to execute to make the business profitable. Having a plan creates an important role, so don't forget the step. Write from basic overviews, requirements, budgets, sales strategies, and financial plans. Step 5. Set up for backdrop printing. If you are going to sell ready-made backdrop sourcing from other manufacturers or distributors, then you may not need to set up a printing workspace. However, if you are looking to start your own production, design, and printing facility, then prepare some basic requirements: suitable spot, material, printing machinery, etc. To get started with a printing backdrop, invest in high-quality equipment, supplies, and printing materials, as well as find a suitable workspace. Step 6. Marketing and sales. Once you are ready to launch your products or services in the market, the step you need to take is developing a marketing plan. Before investing in marketing, understanding the basics is important. For example, about marketing channels, target customers, and reach-out ideas. Not only focus on branding and online presence, but there are also many ideas to follow for a great marketing plan, including social media promotion, collaboration, attending trade shows, promoting locally, and connecting with influencers. Final word: with careful planning, creativity, and dedication, start the business with full efforts. Stay innovative, provide the best customer service, and continuously find opportunities to grow and expand your service. Hopefully, the guide is helpful. If you have any questions or want to learn more about starting a backdrop business, leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more business tips.